this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest screen for BMW 10.25 inch Android screen. This is our normal screen that we used to sell, and most of the competitors they sell. As you can see the reflection inside the screen. But at the other side we have the blue screen, which is same quality as BMW screen, and you can't see my reflection in that screen, and it's super clear. This is the blue anti-glare screen. Also we have the anti-reflection screen, which is a little bit less quality than the one that I'm showing it to you. By choosing this screen, you can choose also HDMI output. That means from this unit we have one HDMI output that you can play anything on this screen. Let's say if you buy our Android DVDs, you can control from the head unit, you can play whatever is at the head unit to our Android screens. So that's one option that we just added to our units. The other option is built-in CarPlay. So by going to the app right now, through the USB directly without the USB dongle, we connected to the iPhone, and that's the Apple CarPlay directly to the screen. So no need to have the USB dongle, but the USB dongle does Android Auto, and this internal Apple CarPlay, it just only does Apple CarPlay, not the Android Auto. So anyways, I just want to explain all these differences, and you can see the finish of this unit. It's all black, same as factory screen, and the other one competitors, and our previous screen was with the silver trim. So if you're really interested, you can go to our website at 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and you can order these units online. Thank you and have a great day.